Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S22 for Boost Mobile. So the Galaxy S22 is finally here at Boost Mobile. It's available now in black or green. Two storage options, 128 gigs or 256 gigabytes. So it's currently on sale right now, $200, $599. So that is pretty free price. And then the 256 gigabyte version is $849.99. That is currently out of stock right now. But the 128 gigabyte version is out of stock. Huh. Interesting. It was in stock when I started recording this video, but now it's out of stock. So yeah, that's kind of weird. But yeah, this is the Galaxy S22 right here. Very nice looking phone. It looks like the Galaxy S21 from last year. So if you guys are upgrading from the S21 to the S22, design wise it'll be the same thing. So let's go ahead and check out this phone here. So you guys have your whole punch with your front facing camera, your piece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. You do have an in-display fingerprint sensor, so it's pretty cool. Here's the back of the Galaxy S22, triple camera system up here on the back here, camera flash, Samsung logo, same layout as last year's Galaxy S21. Left side, you have nothing. Your SIM card is at the bottom of the phone, I believe. I don't know if this has micro SD card storage or not. I'm not sure, but yeah, so it says here, introducing the Samsung Galaxy S22. Take and share adorable pet portraits, even in low light, with the 50 megapixel rear camera. Video calls with your loved ones look incredible on the 6.1-inch 120Hz adaptive display. Seamless camera detailing and high quality finish combined for one eye-catching smartphone. Like I said, it's basically a Galaxy S21 with newer internals and stuff like that. So you guys have a 6.1-inch display, a 50 megapixel main camera, 29 hours of talk time, 128 gigabytes of storage, or 256 gigabytes of storage, and Android 12 with One UI 4.0. I think that's the version for One UI. I think 4.0 because it has Android 12. So pretty cool. Obviously, it's gonna have Android 12. Obviously. Of course, how's it work is order today, wait for your friend to arrive, pick a plan and activate online. Pretty simple. So there's the Galaxy S22. Galaxy S22 Plus looks the same as well, so do keep it in mind. So there's the phone right there. Oh, damn it. Yeah, so yeah, pretty cool. Low light, no problem. Capture the night with crystal clear bright pics and videos, no matter the lighting. With night mode, it has night mode on there as well. That there's fast, and then there's our fastest processor ever. Now they're talking Apple. They're talking Apple here because Apple says that every year about their iPhones that they have the fastest processor ever in a smartphone, and now Samsung is saying it too. Says wait less and do more of what you love thanks to the incredible fast 4nm processor, streaming high def video chats with others, stay on top of what's trending in real time. This phone is made for the speed of your life. Ready to break the rules of power. A battery that keeps going. A battery that keeps your day going. Power every scroll, click, tap, and stream all day long with an intelligent battery that works with you, not against you. So pretty cool there. I think it has a 3700 milliamp battery inside the Galaxy S22, I believe, 3700 milliamps. So pretty decent size for a phone like this, and it still should get the job done. Smooth, bright, epic. Your favorite content will look even more epic on a bright display with vision booster, so that's pretty interesting. I think that's new on the Galaxy S22 series, I believe, so pretty cool there. There's a phone right there. Like I said, it looks like the Galaxy S21 from last year. except for it has newer internals and stuff like that. So if you guys have the Galaxy S22, is it worth the upgrade? It's up to you. It's up to the user of what they want to do. I mean, if you guys got the funds for it, go for it. If you don't, then I guess just wait till next year. I don't know. It's up to you what you want to do with your money, spend it how you want, So, yeah. Design-wise, it looks the same as last year's Galaxy S21 lineup. It says a new standard of premium, expertly engineered to outlast your day with class. Finally, a phone that meets your standards. Strut your style and I guess it's click. I guess it's click. I don't know. And click sophisticated colors like pink, gold, green, phantom white, and phantom black. Boost Mobile only has the phantom black and green versions currently. So yeah, you do get 4 colors on the Galaxy S22, but Boost Mobile only has 2 colors, black and green. So do keep that in mind. This is Google Duo that they're showing here. So you can have like 3 different people on there with you. So you can have 4 people on there at the whole time or whatever. So it's pretty cool. Don't just stream it, share it. Live sharing with Google Duo lets you watch viral YouTube videos and content together with your friends from anywhere. So that's pretty cool. So if you guys want to watch a Netflix movie or whatever, and your friends are in like California and you're in like New York City or something, you could do that here with live sharing, which is pretty cool. And they've did a partnership with Google, I guess, to do this here. So it's a pretty cool feature. A feature I'll probably never use personally. If I got this on, I probably never use that feature because that's just not my thing. But the specs on here, obviously, this is a flagship phone, so you do get what you pay for here. The Galaxy S22 Galaxy S22 has a 3750mAh battery, 29 hours of talk time, non-removable battery, of course. That's pretty much standard now. So yeah, memory is 8GB of RAM, 128GB or 256GB of storage. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, that's the newest processor from Qualcomm, so pretty cool. Android 12. 50MP wide camera with the f1.8 aperture, 12MP ultra wide camera with the f2.2 aperture, then the 10MP telephoto with f2.4 3 times optical zoom, and 10MP front-facing camera with f2.2 aperture lens. Display 6.1 inches Infinity O Full HD Plus dynamic AMOLED 2 times display with 120Hz refresh rate. So the display is Full HD, so it should still look pretty good. The Galaxy S22 has 5.75 inches in height, 2.78 inches in width, and 0.30 inches in depth. The Galaxy S22 weighs 5.89 ounces. Connectivity options for the Galaxy S22 include Wi-Fi, of course, that's pretty much standard. Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, Samsung Pay, of course. Other features include fast wireless charging 2.0 and wireless power share. What's included in the box is same thing with last year's Galaxy S21 lineup. There is no charging brick in the box this year, so they've done away with that. Samsung did away with that with last year's phones, and now they're carrying it over to this phone. So you guys will get the Galaxy S22, of course, USB-C cable in your SIM tool, and that is it in the box. No headphones, no charging brick, nothing like that. So you guys might have to get a charging brick if you're upgrading from an older phone like a Galaxy S10 or something. I don't know. So yeah. If you guys need help with your Galaxy S22, Boost Mobile has you covered with that. So it says here, want to know everything there is to know about this phone? Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. So yeah, device support is a great tool, so check it out if you guys ever need help with your phone. So there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy S22 is now here at Boost Mobile. It's available now for $599.99. Currently on sale. Currently out of stock right now. When I started this video, it was in stock, but that's kind of weird. But it's out of stock. However, they'll get it back in stock soon. So yeah. So you guys have two colors to choose from: Phantom Black or Green. So yeah. So it's currently on sale right now. Like I said, the full retail price $799 and $849 respectively for the storage options there. So yeah, there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy S22 now available at Boost Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.